Welcome. In this video, we'll explore 100 simple present tense sentences used in daily life. I wake up early every day. She goes to school at 8 a.m. They play soccer in the evening. He drinks coffee in the morning. We live in New York. I read a book before bed. She works as a teacher. He drives to work every day. We study together in the library. They cook dinner every night. She walks to the park every morning. He washes the car on Sundays. I like to eat ice cream. They watch TV in the evening. She teaches English at the local school. We visit our grandparents every summer. He plays the guitar on weekends. I exercise every morning. They enjoy watching movies. She paints beautiful pictures. He reads the newspaper daily. I ride my bike to work. She wears a hat when it's sunny. We attend church on Sundays. He listens to music in the car. They travel to new places often. I speak English fluently. She drinks water throughout the day. We buy groceries on Saturdays. He loves going to the beach. They eat lunch at noon. I take my dog for a walk every evening. She writes in her journal every night. We meet for coffee every Wednesday. He fixes the computer when it's broken. They celebrate birthdays with cake. I attend meetings regularly. She calls her mom every weekend. He cleans the house on Fridays. We plan our vacations ahead of time. They play video games after school. I prepare dinner for my family. She organizes her desk every week. He takes a shower in the morning. We learn something new every day. They join the gym every January. I wash the dishes after dinner. She helps her brother with homework. He drives a red car. We take the train to work. They talk on the phone every day. I enjoy listening to music. She plants flowers in her garden. He writes poems in his free time. We shop for clothes online. They celebrate New Year's Eve with fireworks. I dance at parties. She studies for exams every night. He paints his house every summer. We laugh at funny jokes. They help their neighbors with chores. I travel for work once a month. She drives to the office every day. He plays basketball with his friends. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. They work in the garden every weekend. I visit my friends often. She loves reading mystery novels. He fixes his bike on weekends. We cook together as a family. They go to the movies on Fridays. I sing in the choir. She decorates her room with posters. He learns new languages for fun. We work on projects at school. They exercise at the gym every morning. I play the piano in my spare time. She writes emails at work. He drinks tea with breakfast. We buy fruit at the market. They visit museums on weekends. I make breakfast for my family. She brushes her hair every morning. He reads novels in the evening. We paint the walls every summer. They send postcards to friends. I learn something new every day. She loves to swim in the ocean. He fixes the television when it breaks. We celebrate holidays with family. They walk their dog every morning. I write letters to my friends. She plays tennis on weekends. He runs every morning. We enjoy watching the sunset. They study in the library after school. I sleep for 8 hours every night. She talks to her friends after school. He drinks a glass of water before bed. We listen to the radio during breakfast. Thank you for watching. We hope these 100 simple present tense sentences help you understand how to talk about daily actions. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.